Hello, my name is Teresa Hewitt, and today I will be discussing hierarchy. First, let's talk about what hierarchy actually is. Marty Neumeyer put it very plainly. He says, it is the order of importance of the elements in a brand message. This is a way for the designer to actually guide the viewer from one aspect to the other in a design piece, from the most important to the least important. Now, there are different ways in which we can create hierarchy. One of those ways is positioning. Positioning type or an element at the top says that this information needs attention first. It lets the viewer know this is where I want you to look. This is why magazines almost always have the masthead at the top. Now, here is an example of a magazine cover with the masthead at the top, demanding immediate attention. You will also notice that in magazine racks in the stores, the masthead is the most of what you see. That is one of the reasons why they're typically positioned at the top. Another way to create hierarchy is through size. As Ina Saltz puts it, bigger is better. Larger objects are going to have more significance naturally. Your audience will automatically be attracted to the larger elements first. It is very evident in this Romeo and Juliet poster. Although the headliner isn't at the top, the viewer is drawn to the largest type, which is in the middle. And then there is weight. Weight is the bulkiness of a typeface. The boldness is usually identified in the type family names as either bold, black, extra bold, heavy, or ultra black. Extra weight to the text directs the viewer to the most important elements, as you can see in this Much Ado poster. Your eyes go directly to Much Ado because that's where the designer wanted you to look first. I would like to end by discussing the use of hierarchy in my logo design for Skeeter sneakers. The image is the largest element because I want to attract my audience in the sea of other sneaker companies immediately. I have their attention as soon as they see the recycled symbol of the plant growing out of the shoe. The next element I want noticed is the name Skeeter, which is the second most prominent element in the logo. The least important yet still significant are the two smallest elements. The use of hierarchy has successfully guided my audience throughout the design.